Welcome to the DataStage session. In this session, we'll be discussing one more scenario where in most of the interviews, this is the common scenario they will ask. Okay. So here, this is my input data and this is my output data. So here, if we have the department number 10, 3 times it's there, right? So if it is 3 times, we have to provide supply a sequence number 1, 2, 3, and 20 repeated 2 times. So 1, 2, and 30 repeated 2 times, 1, 2. So how we can implement this logic? By providing a sequence number. Okay. So before going to the logic, if you are watching my channel for the very first time, my request is to please subscribe to the channel, and whenever I uploaded a video, you'll get a notification. Okay. Thank you. So let's move on to the logic. So this is the job design. So this is the source data. C.sin, and this is the file, input file. So this is the one. Okay. I open twice. Okay. So this is the one. And my output needed. My output should be like this. Okay. Oh, I closed the output. Just a second. Target. So this is my output. Okay. So now how we can implement this logic? So first of all, whenever we have a department number, and that has to be compared with the previous record. If the count is same, then we have to do the increment. If the count is different, I mean the previous department number to the current department, if it is different, then in that case, you have to supply again starting from 1. Okay, so now let's go into the logic. So I have called this input file in sequential file stage. Now double click on transformer stage. Okay, so transformer stage is a powerful data transformation tool. Data transformation stage. Okay, so here, so we're not using any loop condition. So here I have created 3 stage variables. Okay, so first stage variable contains current department, and next is I am calculating the count. That means the sequence number and the previous department. Okay, so go to stage variable here. So current department, count, and previous department. So here current department and previous department I have considered as a varchar, and which is a string. Okay, and count I am considering as an integer. Initial value starts with 0. Now click on OK. Okay, so now what we need to do? Okay, so here first of all, in current department, you have to provide from the input, department, and salary. Okay, so here we have department number and the salary are the 2 columns from the input, and I am storing this department number in a current stage variable department. So next I am doing the calculation. So here, whenever current department is equal to the previous department. So when you don't define anything in the previous department, it will have some garbage, some garbage value. So it won't be equal. So if it is not equal, then the first position for the first occurrence, it will give the value 1. Here 1 will be stored in the current this thing, and the next previous department, what is the value is there in the current department, that will be stored in a previous department. So now in the output, department number 10, count 1, and salary, whatever is the salary is there, that will be displayed here. For the second record, if you see here, again 10 is there. Okay, so 10, this is 10, and previous department we have 10, right? So that is equal. Already that is equal means already current count is 1. 1 plus 1, that will be 2, right? 2 will be assigned here, and again here 2 will be assigned here. 2 will be assigned here. Okay, so now again the current department, what is the 10 value will be assigned here. Okay, So the next value is 10, again 10. So 10 will be stored here, and again 10 is matched. Already 2 is there, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 will be assigned here, okay? So here, now it is 10. Again, the fourth value is 20. 20 is equal to 10, wrong, right? So again, it will assign a first value. So like that, the looping, I mean, like this stage variable concept designed such a way that if it is same occurrence, it will be give a sequence number. Okay, so this is the logic. So in reality projects, sometimes we need to implement this solution. Actually, this solution may be useful for you. So okay, so make a copy of this logic and implement in your respective projects. Okay, I will share this logics information in the description box with all the input data and output, expected output data. Okay, so now click on OK and define the target file svCurrCnt scenario underscore 8 output. So let's delete this file. Let's close this file. So when you are doing these kind of calculations, no, make sure that you run a job in a sequential mode. Okay, so go to how I can run in sequential mode. Go to stage properties, go to advanced, set it here in sequential mode. Now click on OK. Click on OK. Save, compile, and rerun this job. Okay, so now let's see the output here. Now we can see 10. This 10 3 times repeated means it's given a sequence number 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a scenario where they will ask you in the interviews. Okay, so copy this logic and they can share while in your interview or while you are in a project implementation. Okay, so new batch, new DataStage training batch will be started. Will start on July, not July, 5th. 5th will have a demo session, and the actual classes will start from 8th onwards. Okay, so if you are looking for DataStage training and DataStage job support, information analyzer training, and job support, you can always reach out to me. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.